The INSTAVIEW from Durable is the economical and functional display and reference system for keeping frequently referred to materials close at hand. The INSTAVIEW is an expandable functional solution for use where information needs to be readily available. It is ideally suited for use in any work environment: offices, industrial environments, educational institutions and other public spaces, hospitality and other reception or lobby areas, medical facilities, or any location where easy access to information is important. The INSTAVIEW display system assembles quickly without tools. Each INSTAVIEW accommodates 10 panels which hold 20 viewable pages and is available with either black or assorted color display panels. The INSTAVIEW display reference system infinitely expands by using included connectors to link units together. Rubber grips along the base of the formed steel frame keep it from sliding or accidentally moving while in use. The environmentally friendly glare-free panels have rugged frames for durability. Tabs with inserts are included for easy identification and indexing of your materials, and attach easily for use on any side of the panel frame. Pins at the top and bottom of the panels make them simple to install and remove from the base. The angle of the INSTAVIEW keeps panels open for easy viewing. Paper is inserted into the display panels from the top and is viewable from either side of the panel. INSTAVIEW from Durable, the economical and functional way to display materials you use every day. Durable, the style of success.